congratulations. That don't mean you can't come out and visit.
Really? Well, then I'll come back all the time. Thank you.
No. Holiday, Christmas. I want to visit.
You are exactly one.